Daddy as well.
Come on.
It's still then, Mr. Wiggle.
Come on. Carl. What are you making, Carl?
Milk, flour, egg, chocolate, twinkle.
Oh, my flour, egg, twinkle.
Milk, flour, egg, chocolate.
Twinkle.
Ma, can I try this?
Dad, can you do this, please?
What?
I gotta help my mum.
Come on, Carl. Can I see
Keep
it?
your feet careful that rice at the back of the cup there. It's
I'll
on.
pick it.
Oh, wow. What did you put in there? What did you put in there?
Banana and chips.
Egg, banana, and chips.
Yeah.
You put some chips. Oh, my
Yeah,
Lord.
don't be silly.
Come on, Kisha, you help as well. Get some spatula
I'll
there.
get one for you.
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. Be careful. Be careful, Carl. You
This
gotta...
is spatula.
There.
Where? Here.
Yep. Come on.
Mommy, there.
Yeah, it's alright. Just don't go in there because it's burning hot. Oh, come on, Carl. You stir it as well. Carl. Where are you? Oh, hello there. Oh, Carl got the 2 spoon now. Oh, my Lord. I wonder what does it taste like.
I better wash my hands.
Yummy, yummy. Wow, look at that. Do you do that in the school, Carl? Not yet, not yet. Some more, mix up some more. Do you do that in school sometimes, Carl?
I better wash my hands.
Yeah? Do you?
Mom, can I help you?
Yeah? Go on then.
I need to wash my hands. I've got chocolate in my hand. You can wash
Get chocolate in your hand.
You can wash it later.
Go on then.
Mom, you can wash your hands later.
Yeah, you should wash your hand when you did cook that.
Okay, Mickey Pants.
Come on, Kisha, you help me so that Mommy gonna help you put into the oven.
Yes! Oven! You have this one, teacher.
Oh yeah, is there sugar in it? No. Just pour this condensed milk then.
I do it.
Kai! Oh my Lord. Look at the face. Oh my Lord.
Look at my clean face.
Yeah. Come on. You pour the milk then.
I do.
Come on, pour the milk. Come on, you hold it. Leave it. Careful with the can. You're gonna get hurt. Just leave it like that, Carl.
Oh.
Leave it. Let Mommy finish it then. Come on, stir it up.
Can I taste one?
Yeah, taste it.
Can I take one?
Mmm.
Can I take one? I put this under.
Mmm. Yummy. Oh, careful, Keisha. You're gonna get hurt with the tins. Is it yummy? Carl? Chocolate everywhere.
It tastes like milk.
Tastes like milk, alright. Oh, careful with the tin, darling. Careful.
Sorry.
Let me do it now. It's finished with the
That
tin.
was fantastic cake.
Okay, finished now, yeah? We'll put it in the oven now, okay?
A little bit.
A little bit, stir a little bit.
Wait
Okay, alright.
Done.
Is it done?
Yes.
Aye? Finish now?
Then you got to do this.
Alright.
This.
Okay, say goodbye for the moment and then come back again.
Come on.
2 bakers. Kisha.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Oh my Lord. Okay. Leave it now. Mommy gonna help you put in the, yeah. We'll beat you the cake later on.
Let me see you in the morning.
Okay.
Mom.